And a very good morning to one and all. My name is Akshaya. I am studying 7th class B section in APSWR Palyuki Gurukulam, Silurpet, Nellore district. Today we are going to learn about electricity or electric circuits. I hope you got my topic. My topic is electric circuits. For example, I am feeling so hot. I want to switch on a fan. What will I do? Okay, I simply go and switch on fan. The fan will rotate. And there is darkness in my room. I want to switch on light. I simply go and switch on a light. The light will glow, the dark room will brightly glow up. Why this is causing? Can you think that? When you switch on here, why fan or light is rotating or glowing there? How much far are they? The socket is here and fan is upper side. How can the fan rotate? By switching here. Do you think that? Hey, there is a magic. You got that? There is a magic. No, there is no magic. This is provided by electricity. Electricity means the power of or energy of current wires and producing electricity. Why we think that when you have feeling hot, should only switch on a light? Why? Because it's feeling. Why? We already provide that in our room. When you are building a new house, you can see that how much wires are hiding in your home, that you can see, and the wires are inside home to rotate the fan or glow or bright the light, or another electric appliance should use electricity. Why? Because they only provided to use with electricity. Okay, I want to explain you about some things. You are seeing my chart? Yes, I hope you are seeing my chart. 1 and 2, 3. There are 3 diagrams in my chart. Why she draw a bulb? Why she draw a torchlight? Why she draw a battery? Why I am draw means you should understood the parts of electric appliance. When the time only you can understand where we should keep wires and dismiss the wires. On the time only you can prepare electricity in your own talent. Okay, let's explain you about this chart. Okay, see here. What is this, guys? Do you know what is this? Yes, this is a bulb diagram. B-U-L-B. Bulb diagram. Okay, let's me introduce the parts of bulb. This is glass of bulb. Tungsten filament. You can see and observe in your bulb. These both are support wires, and these wires are called as duvet wires. Why? Because they are connecting from this part. So, duvet wires are wires. And this part of bulb is called terminals. And glass insulator. This is outside. You see this? Outside like 2 small parts. These are called bottom contact. And this glass insulator and this bottom contact are attached to one by one. Okay. Now we have to remember the 10 parts of bulb. Should remember in mind. Okay. First one is glass. Second one is tungsten filament. Third one is wires. Fourth one, wires. Fifth one, dumate wires. Again remember that these both are only same. Okay? And exhaust wires. Exhaust wires. These are exhaust wires. And fuse. This is fuse. You know that when we have the fuse particle, only that time only you can provide electricity to the bulb. Are you sure to learn this? Okay. And glass terminals. These are glass terminals. And glass insulator. Glass insulator. And bottom contact. Bottom contact. Okay, you understand about bulb and its parts? I hope you understand the bulb parts. Okay, I will show you a small and mini project. What is this? You know this name? This is a torchlight. Yes. Wow, it's glowing. How much bright it's glowing. Friends, I say that when we have electricity, we can on a fan or torch lights or other materials which are used and provided to use with electricity. Why this is glowing now or brightening now? Why? Because there is no electricity or wires are connected to this. And this also use electricity. Why? Because when we want to charge the torchlight, we should use electricity. In this time also we are using electricity. Okay, how is this glowing, guys? Can I explain you? Okay, see this. This is torchlight diagram. This is bulb. Bulb is middle of torchlight. This is reflector. When we have reflector, the bulb can reflect brightly and broadly. Broadly means to far. Plastic ceiling. When we have plastic ceiling, we can be safe to touch this torch or another electric. Okay, side switch. Observe this. Side switch. Side switch. When the side switch in this part, we can on or off the torchlight. Electric batteries. In this system, we can see electric batteries. I hope you got why this light is glowing without electricity. I hope you got that. Why? Because the batteries are helping the bulb to glow bright and broad. And the lamp contact. These both batteries are contacting to lamp and the bulb is glowing. You got that? Yes. Electric batteries are connected to one by one. Plus, minus, plus, minus. The minus contains less power, plus contains high power. So, this I think, this you can understand easily. Why? Because I showed you in a particular model. Electric batteries are helping to contact lamp contact, and this lamp contact helps the bulb to glow. And why we can glow the bulb? When we feel darkness, on the time you want to switch on a light or battery. So, we are using side switch. When we use this side switch to on the torchlight, the electric batteries are on to when we push like this, here see, the wire will push this and the electricity will on in the torchlight and reflector will glow the light broadly. Reflector means not a largest thing. This is you can see in bottom of the torchlight. This is reflector. When you can see this, there is a small amount of light and this is glowing broadly. How can it possible means when we use reflector or a glass of front of the bulb that will glow broadly or brightly. Okay, next plastic ceiling. The plastic ceiling is main useful when we want to touch or when we want to see this torchlight. We want the plastic model. Why? Because when we touch directly, we can get shocked by this. So, we want to use plastic gloves when you are using that electricity. Okay, I hope you got that. Yes, I hope you got that. The next one is batteries. When there is no electricity, you directly using this torch. Why? Because they have electric power which is filled in these batteries. The batteries are used to not only glow the bulb or you can see mini fans in your market that also is used or prepared with battery connection. When you think about a torchlight, bulb light or fan or your smartphone and mixer grinder, washing machine, dishwasher, when you think these all appliances, you want to think about electricity. That means when there is electricity, we can using this electric appliance. There is no electricity, we cannot use any appliance. So we are using batteries to work the appliance without electricity. Why? Because let's understand the battery parts and we can learn about battery by seeing this diagram. First one is this green color part is insulator. The insulator using this one for covering as a metal shield. Brass conductor or brass insulator. This brass insulator is used in low part of the battery. Mustard bag. This mustard bag is covering the battery with plastic or metal shield. Carbon rod. By this carbon rod, we can produce electricity in our small part of batteries. Paste of NH4Cl. The paste of NH4Cl is used to produce electricity and protect this carbon rod to glow or rotate a fan, means producing electricity by these both parts. MnO2 plus C. MnO2 plus C is a low part of which is covering the rod. And zinc container. This zinc container is low part of battery. So when we have these all parts in the battery, we can use that similarly to using on torchlight, on a mini fans or on some other materials. I have know about these and I hope you got my topic today. And not only with electricity, now we are seeing that the bulb means this is created by Thomas Alva Edison. The first bulb maker was Thomas Alva Edison. So you should remember her when you want to speak about the torchlight. And thank you for giving this golden opportunity. And special thanks to Secretary Ma'am, DCO Ma'am, Principal Ma'am and my science teacher. Thank you.